Here's a quick video on how to use an STX pump. Make sure it's on the inflate. It's got some cool lights as well. This is a battery, so it needs to be charged up, which you would put into there with a plug into your wall. So just push and hold that, turns it on, then attach the tube. It does come with different size washers, so if it doesn't fit yours, put a skinnier washer on. Make sure your valve is on self-seal. Twist that on, and then the easiest thing to do, this goes to maximum 16 psi, push minus and it should go to 16. That sets it 16, and then just push that once and that makes it go. There you go. When it gets to the higher pressure, it does start making a really loud noise because it's really trying to get those high pressures in. We normally do it outside. But there you go.